Good night.
What is your name?
My name is Jesus David Caicedo Solis.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
What is your home?
I am grew in Pradera.
Where do you live?
I live in Palmyra.
What is your material status?
I am single.
What is your hobby?
I am in job ready.
What is your profession?
I am a diesel mechanic.
Where do you live?
I am live in Palmyra.
Talking about your working experience.
I'm working as ingeniero manualista in Palmyra, Valle del Cauca.
What is your academic background?
And studying industry engineer.
What are your personal qualities?
I am responsible, honest, and good worker.
What are your X and Guinness?
My skills is that I am good to running.
What makes you the best candidate for this job?
I am a good candidate because I am responsibility, punctuality, or creativity. I am good disposition to go.
What will we get I gave her you?
I do Jairi my you will ya good working creativity employee. Thank you.